Right. Question 2. Part A, B, C is quite straightforward. They have given the velocity time graph of a car that accelerates, moves with constant speed, and then decelerates. So AI, which they need to find the acceleration. So acceleration is basically the gradient, and the deceleration is the positive value of the acceleration. So we just have to find the gradient for AI. I've already done the question. So gradient for the acceleration is rise over run, which is 30 by 10, which is 3. That's fine. And the deceleration should be you come back minus 30, but the time is only 5 seconds, so minus 30 over 5, which is minus 6. However, you need to mention that the deceleration is plus 6. That's where you get the 1 mark. And then the acceleration time graph, when you have a constant acceleration, you should reflect it as a horizontal line. Constant deceleration, horizontal but negative line. And when there's constant speed, acceleration is 0. That's why you could see from 10 to 30 seconds, you have the line going along the time axis. Distance traveled by the car for the entire journey, which is the area under the trapezium. So I just found the area, which is half into 35 plus 20 into 30, that is 825 meters. Let's come to part D now. So they are saying that the motorcycle starts from 5 seconds and enters. So therefore, let's redraw the graph of the velocity time first. So this is the velocity time graph, which has first 10 seconds going at constant speed, then and then finally decelerating. So that's the graph. So this is 10, this is 30, and this is 35, and this is 30 once again. So let's draw the velocity. Now what happens is at 5 seconds you got a motorcycle which is speeding up, will eventually catch up with the car. So the total distance traveled by the car in the entire 20 seconds is equal to the total distance traveled by the motorcycle in the 15 seconds from 5 to 20. So we can say total distance traveled by car from 0 to 20 seconds, because at the 20th second the car catches up, the motorcyclist catches up with the car. So that means they are talking about this entire area which is traveled within the first 20 seconds. So that is a trapezium once again. So let's find the area of that, which is half into 20 plus 10 to 20 is another 10 times 30. So this should be 15 into 30. Should be 450 meters. Now for the car, distance traveled by car in 5 to 20. So that's the area of this triangle. So that means half times 20 minus 5 is 15 into, let's call this velocity v, and that's 450. So v should be 450 times 2 over 15, and v should be 60 meters per second. Therefore, the acceleration should be v over t. A equals to 60 over, it took 15 seconds. So that's 4 meters per second square. So that's the final answer for the acceleration.